Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, this is Tom Baker, your go-to source for all things real estate here in the Portland metro area. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about a topic that many people find confusing and maybe overwhelming: probate and selling real estate. Whether you're dealing with an estate of a loved one or helping clients through the process, this video will cover everything you need to know. We'll discuss what probate is, the steps involved in selling the real estate during the probate process, and the various services that you're going to need along the way. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of my game-changing real estate content. So, first let's start about the basics. What is probate? Probate is the legal process through which a deceased person's estate is managed and distributed. Now, in the state of Oregon, this process is overseen by what's called a probate court. The court ensures that the deceased's debts are paid and that the remaining assets are distributed according to their will, or if there's no will, according to the state law. If you're the executor of the state, you have what's called a fiduciary duty to manage the estate's assets and responsibility. This includes real estate, which often requires special handling to sell. Now, let me walk you through the steps of selling real estate during probate in Oregon. First, before you can sell any real estate, you need to go and get the court's approval. This typically involves filing a petition with the probate court. The court will review the petition and, if approved, issue an order allowing for the sale of real estate. Next, the property must be appraised to determine its market value. This is crucial for ensuring the property is sold at a fair price. Once you have a court approval and the appraisal, we can list the property for sale. It's important to work with a real estate agent that's experienced in probate sales to navigate through any unique challenges. You can call or text me anytime for any questions that you might have on this topic as well. When you receive an offer, you get the court's confirmation before finalizing the sale. This ensures that the sale price is fair and that it's in the best interest of the estate. After the court's confirmation, you can proceed with the closing process. This includes transferring the title and distributing the proceeds according to the estate's plan. During probate, you'll likely need various services to help manage and prepare the property for sale. So let's talk about some of these and share some stories to illustrate the importance. Often properties in probate need significant cleanup. For example, consider working with a family who inherited a home that it's been in their family for generations. But this house was filled with old furniture, personal items, and even some antique collectibles. A professional cleanup and junk removal service could come in, organize everything, and help the family or yourself identify what valuable property or items are in there that you can sell separately. This will make the home much more presentable and market ready. Curb appeal, as you all know, is selling real estate, right? There's certain situations where you may have like a garden or a probate property that's been neglected for years. So what we'll do is we'll come in and we'll hire a professional landscaping company to transform that overgrown yard into a beautiful, inviting space. This not only attracts more potential buyers, but can also add significant increased value to the property. If there's personal belongings that need to be sold, we can do what's called an estate sale, and we can bring in auction services that can help you get the best value for your items. For instance, I assisted a client whose relative had an extensive collection of vintage items and artwork. An estate sales service organized a public sale, which not only helped clear the house, but also provided additional funds for the estate. Working with an attorney who specializes in probate and estate planning is essential. Now, if you're working with somebody like myself, we're going to make sure that you don't get overwhelmed with the legal paperwork involved with the probate process, which is why your attorney not only will help guide you through the legal requirements, but also help you understand what their responsibilities are, the rights as an executor that you have, and ensure that the entire process is as smooth as it can be and compliant with Oregon law. Finally, partnering with a real estate expert experienced in probate like myself, I can help you navigate the complex process of selling the property. Now, helping you sell your family's parents' home, for example, dealing with that emotional strain of their loss and the complexities of the probate, my experience in sales and handling clients and working in probate sales has allowed me to manage the sale efficiently, from listing the property to negotiating with buyers and ultimately giving you some less additional stress in the process. Dealing with probate can be overwhelming, but planning ahead can be a big difference. Here are a few tips to help you understand and prepare for the future. Number one, ensure you have a will in place and update it regularly. This can simplify the probate process significantly. Number two, a living trust can help avoid probate altogether, allowing for a smoother and quicker transfer of the assets. Number three, maintaining detailed records of all the assets and liabilities can make the probate process much easier for your executor. An estate planner can help you create a comprehensive plan that meets your needs and minimizes the stress on your loved ones. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped demystify the probate process and provided you with some valuable insights on selling real estate during probate in the state of Oregon. If you have any questions at all my contact information is below in the description, and you can call or text me anytime. I have a team waiting to help you out with all of these services to make this process a little bit easier on you and make sure that we get the most amount of money for any property that you have. Again, my name's Tom Baker, your local Portland, Oregon realtor. And if there's anything in the world I can do for you, you can call or text me anytime. You can email me if there's any questions that you have on the probate process at all. I'd love to help you out in any way that I can, even if you're working with somebody else and you need a contact of mine to help you get a cleanup crew out there to help you out with your estate, or even get some landscaping companies that I work with as well. Once again, thanks for taking some time out of your day to learn a little bit more about the probate process here in Oregon, and have a great rest of your day.